Sometimes in plastic laminated countertops the following problem might show up. Ouch. It's a problem, this can get broken off, it's ugly. So in this video I'll show you how to deal with it simply, quickly and cost efficiently. What you need is masking tape or any kind of tape and a hot iron. The iron's been plugged in and it's set to maximum heat or cotton or whatever that setting is. And I'm going to use it to iron this back on. The reason why this works is because this is a hot melt glue, meaning it melts at hot temperatures, it becomes fibrous. You'll see it. It's going to be sticky when I separate it here, because I'm going to start here, and you'll see the glue fibers appearing or pulling away, whatever, to the surface. I also noted that as is, this plastic laminate edge, this edge band, lies a little too high on this side, so it needs to go down like so. That creates what buckles the material there. So I'll try to start re-melting it from here and changing direction enough in it so that it lies flat. So it goes back and covers the edge as much as possible. Okay, you can see this coarse edge showing after a while there. Probably it's always been sticking out, maybe that's why it started failing and separating. So I'm gonna need to start fixing it from at this point on gradually. Okay, I'm not applying a whole lot of pressure with the iron. The point is not to squeeze the glue out, to keep the glue in between the edge band and the edge of the countertop. So I'm just heating up the edge here without applying a whole lot of pressure, just to bind the materials together. Let's see, it's there, it's being melted, it's separating fine-ish. Just give it a little extra time. So it's re-adhering. Of course it's hot. It's re-adhering fine. So I'm just going to use this to realign it. Let's see. I'm trying to push down on this corner here, just like so. It takes a few seconds to melt the glue. Yeah, take a look at it. It's still hot, so I don't want to burn my hand too much. I made sure that this corner is flush because I don't want to be filing the edges of the laminate. So it doesn't really need the masking tape or any kind of tape for any other purpose, just for pressing on the edge evenly, just like this, making sure it doesn't buckle elsewhere as it cools down. And that's how it looks. It's taken 5 minutes of my time, and once the glue cools down enough, so now the edge is not catching anywhere. Once the glue cools down enough, it's going to be staying on firmly for, I don't know, a number of years again.